Hi, I'm Stefan Mantilla from Plant Sonify. Today I'm going to talk about how debt-free and savings coloring charts can help you reach your financial goals. If you have a lot of debt, it can be difficult to stay motivated to pay it off over a long period. Savings goals are also difficult to hit unless you're seeing the progress. An estimated 65% of the human population are visual learners. This means that they remember best through visual communication. As with most money topics, if you're not consistently communicating and working on them, it's easy to lose focus. This is why debt-free payoff and savings coloring charts are excellent at keeping you motivated towards your goals. So, why should you use a coloring chart visual? Having a constant visual reminder of your goals helps keep you consistent. Coloring in a section of the chart is an active learning process. Also, let's face it, it's fun. You'd be surprised how motivating saving $20 can be if it means that when you get home, you can bring out the colored pencils. For consistent motivation, I suggest putting the chart somewhere conspicuous. I have mine on the side of my fridge, so every time I go to my kitchen, I can't help but see them. Using bright colors makes them even more eye-catching. I have a motivational quote next to my chart to keep me more pumped. There are 4 main benefits of using visuals for your goals. Number 1, it lets your brain know it's important. Your brain processes tons of data every second. Most of what it comes across are filtered out of your consciousness. You can't pay attention to every breath you take. The things your brain takes notice of are the things you keep reminding yourself of. Just like when you're thinking about buying a new car, suddenly you start seeing that car everywhere. Your brain does the same thing with the items you surround yourself with. Having a brightly colored goal coloring chart posted prominently will keep your brain from brushing it off as noise. Number 2, visuals tap into your emotions. In addition to looking pretty, visuals like coloring sheets are processed in the same part of the brain that processes emotions. Once you set your goal and hang up your chart, it will be a constant reminder of that goal. Either way, if it stays empty or it gets colored in, you'll have your response. Your brain will keep it front of mind and want to complete the goal. Number 3, your goal memory will be better. How many times have you read something only to immediately forget what you just read? When reading text, it's easy to quickly forget the information and not fully process it. Text gets processed by your short-term memory first. Visuals are different. Images are processed by long-term memory, so will stick with you longer. Number 4, they drive motivation through praise. If your coloring chart is captivating with interesting shapes and bright colors, you're more likely to be motivated. Images that humans find boring or uninteresting don't keep our attention and focus. Filling out coloring charts is a form of self-praise that keeps you working towards your goal. If you're interested in learning how to create your own coloring goal sheets, check out the link below. I show you how to create them using the free version of Canva. So onto the overall benefits of goal coloring sheets. Not only is using coloring charts for your goals fun, but it also keeps you consistent and the goal front of mind. Humans remember visual information better than text, so using a coloring page for paying down your credit card or saving for a vacation makes it more likely you'll succeed. A cheerful coloring page will increase your serotonin when you get to fill in another segment. This, in turn, will make you more motivated and will actually continue faster. Harnessing the power of positive association will create a self-fulfilling cycle that supercharges your motivation towards your goal. Make sure you click the bell below so you don't miss any of my new videos, and head over to my blog Plant Sonify for more information. I'll put the link down below. See you next time.